Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Coinbase kung saan ay siya po ngayon ang naging pinakamalaki na holder ng Bitcoin. Ayan, meron po siyang hold ngayon na umaabot ng 1 million na BTC. Yan, sobrang dami po niyan. Nagkakahalaga po ito ngayon ng $25 billion. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and informational purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi dito ay in a notable discovery, Arkham Intel, a leading blockchain intelligence platform, has identified $25 billion worth of Bitcoin reserves held by Coinbase, the prominent US-based crypto exchange. Ayan, $25 billion na halaga ng Bitcoin ang nasa reserve ni Coinbase. This revelation puts Coinbase at the forefront of Bitcoin landscape, positioning it as the largest Bitcoin entity in the world alongside the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto. The uncovered reserves amount to nearly 5% of the total Bitcoin supply. Ayan, si Coinbase. Ayan, isa na po siya sa largest Bitcoin entity. Ayan. At kasama po niya syempre si Satoshi Nakamoto. Ayan, sabi dito alongside with the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ay si Ginoong Satoshi Nakamoto ay siya po ang gumawa or founder ng Bitcoin. Ayan, Coinbase emerges as the top Bitcoin holder. Yan. Arkham Intel's comprehensive analysis has successfully tagged over 36 million Bitcoin deposits in holding addresses associated with Coinbase. Yan. Remarkably, Coinbase largest cold wallet alone contains around 10,000 BTC, serving as a testament to the scale of their holdings. Ayan. Ganyan po katindi si Coinbase. Yung saan ay yung kanilang cold wallet. Yan, sabi dito ay yung kanilang largest cold wallet alone ay naglalaman daw ito ng 10,000 na BTC. Yan. However, Arkham Intel suggests that Coinbase's actual Bitcoin reserves may extend beyond the identified addresses. Based on Coinbase's recent financial reports, it is highly likely that the exchange possesses thousands more Bitcoin that have yet to be tracked and labeled. Ayan. Sabi po rito ng Arkham Intel ay marami pa raw yan, hawak si Coinbase na Bitcoin na nakalagay lamang sa mga addresses yan na hindi pa nila natatrack or natitrace. Ayan. Moreover, Arkham Intel's platform revealed that Coinbase holds substantial amounts of other cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. Ayan. Maliban dito ay sabi ni Arkham Intel na si Coinbase ay meron pa silang ibang mga napakaraming hold na amount ng cryptocurrencies at hindi lamang si Bitcoin. Yan. The US-based exchange is reported to possess approximately 1.68 million ETH or Ethereum valued at around $2.69 billion. Additionally, Coinbase holds 68.59 million Link or Chainlink tokens estimated at $471 million. Ayan, yan po yung mga ibang mga holdings nila ng mga cryptocurrencies. Ayan, nandito po. Ayan, meron po silang yan po si Bitcoin, si Ethereum, si Link, USDC, BNB at saka yan GRT. Ayan po, makikita naman po natin dito yung kanilang value. Yung pinakamalaki ay syempre si Bitcoin, nasa $25.22 billion. Ang sumunod ay si Ethereum, nasa $2.69 billion. At ayan, nasa mga hundreds million na yung mga sumunod. The stable Ucoin USDC coin pegged at 1:1 to the US dollar is also part of Coinbase portfolio, with holdings totaling 222 million USDC. Lastly, Coinbase holds a 921,000 BNB or Binance Coin valued at approximately $194 million. Ayan, nag-hold din po pala sila ng BNB. Yan, ito po ay native token ni Binance. Base emerges as top contender surpassing Solana in TVL rankings. In a noteworthy development for the exchange and its new Layer 2 or L2 blockchain, Base has emerged as a formidable contender surpassing Solana in terms of total value lock or TVL. Ayan, hinigitan daw po niya si Solana. And according to the latest statistics from DeFi-Llama, Coinbase Layer 2 solution boasts a TVL of $370 million, surpassing Solana's $310 million. Ayan. Yan po yung kanilang nahigitan niya po ng at least mga nahigitan niya ng $60 million. Yan po yung kanilang talo po si Solana ng $60 million. This achievement signifies an important milestone for Base, highlighting its growth, prominence, and influence in the industry. Notably, Base TVL positions it ahead of prominent blockchains such as Cronos, Kava, DeFi Chain, Bitcoin, Fusion, Pulse Chain, and Cardano. With its current TVL, Base accounts for approximately 0.96% of the overall $38.14 billion TVL in the DeFi space. Ayan, ito po yung nakikita po natin dito. Ayan, yung mga TVL ng mga cryptocurrencies dito. Ayan, yung TVL, ayan, may pinakamataas na TVL po ay ang Ethereum, $21.18 billion. Yan, sumunod naman si Tron at saka si BSC. Ayan, Binance Smart Chain at saka si Arbitrum. Ayan, yan po yung mga billion. Ayan. Mula dito kay Arbitrum ay million na po yung kanilang mga TVL. Base has secured its place among the top protocols regarding TVL, ranking just behind Mixin, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Arbitrum, BSC, Tron, and Ethereum. Ayan. This accomplishment highlights the growing prominence of Coinbase Layer 2 blockchain within the DeFi landscape. Ayan. Mukhang maganda po talaga ang performance ni Coinbase. Data from June Analytics reveals that since its Layer 2 launch, Base has successfully breached a total value of $426.81 million. Of this, 54.4% or $232.19 million comprises 143,467 Ether, demonstrating strong support and adoption from the Ethereum community. Additionally, approximately 27.2% of the breach asset to Base consists of, nasa mga 115.9 million USDC stable coin. Ayan, ito po yung Coinbase Global Incorporated. However, it is not all good news for the firm. Ayan, Coinbase stocks traded under the name Coin are experiencing a significant decline that has been ongoing since July 20. Ayan, hindi raw po lahat good news pagdating dito kay Coinbase. Kasi yan, nakikita na po natin na ayan, yung kanyang Coinbase stocks yan ay bumabagsak po. Mapapansin po natin dito na bumabagsak yung kanyang Coinbase stocks. Kaya ito naman po yung hindi magandang balita pagdating kay Coinbase. The stocks have been declined from the $111 level, followed by the lawsuit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission against the firm and Binance. Presently, the exchange stocks are trading at $71.78. Ayan. Galing po sa $111 yung presyo yung stocks yan ng market price na stocks ni Coinbase, pero nag-umpisa po itong bumagsak nung nag-file po ng kaso ang US SEC sa kanila. Ayan. Masasabi ko pong yan, maganda po talaga yung performance ni Coinbase. Yan, kung hindi lamang po sila hinabol ng US SEC. Ayan. At sa tingin ko ay mukhang maapektuhan pa ito. Depende po kasi ito kung yan, kung ano ang kalalabasan ng kaso nila yan kay SEC. Kaya yan, malaki po talaga ang impact ng paghahabol ni SEC sa mga crypto exchange na kagaya ni Coinbase. Yan, ganun din po yung nangyayari kay Binance US. Yan, at mukhang sa tingin ko ay mas matindi pa yung impact niya kay Binance US. Yan, pero mabuti na lamang kay Coinbase at maski pa paano ay hindi gaanong malala. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.